Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the game, press Options to open the pause menu, and head straight to Settings. Once there, choose the Settings tab so you can see both audio and online preferences together. If you play on console or PC, make sure you're signed into your platform account so changes apply to your profile. Now, locate the audio and multiplayer sections. This is where voice chat controls live. Once found, prepare to switch off in-game voice and any party chat ties to prevent overlap. You'll see a voice chat or team voice toggle in the multiplayer or audio subsection. Flip it to off to mute in-game player microphones. Once done, make sure to apply or confirm the change so it persists across sessions. Next, switch chat mode to text or disabled. This prevents automatic reconnections or voice prompts from other players. If the game asks to restart the session to apply settings, go ahead and do that. This ensures your voice settings are honored in both free roam. You're nearly done. After toggling in-game voice off, make sure platform-level party voice is disabled too. On Xbox, PlayStation, or Steam, mute the party or leave it entirely. Once done, restart the game and join a private lobby or go offline to verify that no voices come through. If you still hear chat, check that your headset or system audio isn't routing microphone input as game audio. If necessary, unplug the mic or change Windows/console audio settings to remove the input source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.